Welcome to Python Data Science Essentials by Packt Publishing. I'm Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. Let me first introduce the authors. Alberto Boschetti is a data scientist with expertise in signal processing and statistics. He holds a PhD in telecommunication engineering and currently lives and works in London. In his work projects, he faces challenges ranging from natural language processing, behavioral analysis, and machine learning to distributed processing. He's very passionate about his job and always tries to stay updated about the latest developments in data science technologies, attending meetups, conferences, and other events. Luca Massaron is a data scientist and marketing research director specializing in multivariate statistical analysis, machine learning, and customer insight, with over a decade's experience solving real-world problems and generating value for stakeholders by applying reasoning, statistics, data mining, and algorithms. From being a pioneer of web audience analysis in Italy to achieving the rank of a top 10 Kaggle, he's always been very passionate about every aspect of data and its analysis, and also about demonstrating the potential of data-driven knowledge discovery to both experts and non-experts. Favouring simplicity over unnecessary sophistication, Luca believes that a lot can be achieved in data science by just doing the essentials. This course takes you through all you need to know to succeed in data science using Python. Get insights into the core of Python data, including the latest versions of Jupyter Notebook, NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. In this course, you'll delve into building your essential Python 3.6 data science toolbox using a single source approach, get to grips fast with data munging and pre-processing, and prepare for machine learning and visualization techniques. Now let's take a closer look at the entire journey. In the first section, you'll be introduced to Jupyter Notebooks. Here we'll demonstrate how you can have access to the data run in the tutorials. The second section, Data Munging, gives an overview of the data science pipeline and explores all the key tools for handling and preparing data before you apply any learning algorithm and set up your hypothesis experimentation schedule. Then we'll move on to the data pipeline, which discusses all the operations that can potentially improve or even boost your results. After that, we'll step ahead to our final section, Machine Learning, which delves into the principal machine learning algorithms offered by the scikit-learn package, such as, among others, linear models and unsupervised techniques for clustering. By the end of this course, you'll be able to set up your data science toolbox using a Python scientific environment, get data ready for your data science project, and manipulate, fix, and explore data in order to solve data science problems. Also, you could set up an experimental pipeline to test your data science hypotheses. Choose the most effective and scalable learning algorithm for your data science tasks. Along with these, you could optimize your machine learning models to get the best performance. All you need to get started is a system with Python version 3.6.5 or above and any recent version of Anaconda and Jupyter Lab. Also, you're expected to know the basics of Python programming. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.